embarrassed. This is really embarrassing.
Oh my god. After so many ages. What's good, Minion Squad? It's your girl, Minnie! Oh my god. And I'm back with another banger for you guys. Of course. So I'll be doing a I'll be doing a do-it-yourself DIY kind of video. So I'll be showing you guys how to turn your straight hair into curls without using a heated, what is it called?
A few moments later.
What do you guys call it? Okay, without using a thong, a curl thong, something like that. Please don't laugh at me in the comment section. And guys, before we start and get into the business of this video, yes, I know I have a bandage on my hand. Please don't ask me questions about it in the comment section. It's something personal that I don't feel like talking about now, but after my surgery is done, definitely I'm gonna record a video and tell you guys about it. But for now, subscribe, like, share, comment, share with your mother, your father, your family, your cousin, your sister, everybody gotta know about Minnie, cause you know Minion Squad gang bang. To my new subscribers, hey cuz, how you doing? You know the vibes, it ain't a problem. You just subscribe to this channel because Minnie got the juice, okay?
In my red car, bitches say and I like I notice. Getting my unique, that's my main focus. But you should be when you don't notice. Probably me, my nigga.
So you guys, every time I have my hair laid like this, I always think of a video to record for you guys. So when I was young, like in grade 6 or grade 7, my grandmother liked doing curls with my hair because I come from a very disadvantaged background. It's really a funny story because she'd use paper straws to make my curls. Literally, she'd use them and they'd come out so nicely. Like, do you know who's this? What's her name? Amanda. I'm gonna put her picture the side. Like 3, 2, 1, go now. Her, yeah, they come out exactly like hers, but I couldn't find the small straws, the big ones, but hopefully it's gonna come out nicely because I'm trying to plug, y'all. But anyway, I'll be using paper straws. I got them from Pick n Pay, and they were like round about 30 bucks each because it's 20 inside and they're really long. So yeah, I'll be using paper straws. I'll be using pins, bobby pins, whatever. I'll be using my loom bands. They're almost finished because I always play with them. And I'll be using a headband I'll be using for this video, and I'll be using my comb, obviously. So what she'd do, she'd open a line in the middle and then she would section it obviously into 2 parts and then go on and use these straws to like curl them on my hair, and then I'd sleep overnight, and then in the morning before I go to school she would untangle them, and voila, I'd look really pretty. So yeah, let's get on with the business of this video. So I will open a line in the middle. Like, it doesn't have to be a straight line because you're gonna dar, but in the middle. Now that my straight line is done, I'm gonna go on with this comb and I will divide my parts equally. And then I like to start with my right side because I'm right-handed. It makes sense to me. And then I will just tie this one up so it doesn't disturb my process on the other side. So yeah, like this. And then gonna mix them up with these ones. I think it's like different colors, I don't know. But I'll make like, so as I was saying, Europe, I'm not gonna do like really small ones because I really need to sleep. I have school, I have a lot of things. It's pepper straws! Guys, it's paper straws. Let's try them. So you'll take your paper straw. I don't even know what happened here. Go in with it. Make sure that when you roll it to your hair, make sure that it's like towards each other. It's not too separate. And then you fold it. Then you put your loom band. Put the other one forward. You put your loom band. Ouch. You put your loom band. As you can see here, like it's not tight. Gonna go over. Roll it down. And then you do this on the other side as well. You will put your loom band on this side as well. Voila, there you have it. Then you're gonna go over, do the same thing till you are done. Done with the first section. I have 3 more sections to go, so let's go. Last one on this section. I feel like dying, I'm so thirsty and I want to drink, but I'll do it. And I have to wake up my cousin. She has to study Shame, she's writing prelims. That's her alarm. So funny, see? I have to wake her up.
They call me.
I have to wake her up now. Let me finish this one. With the side, I don't know if you guys can see properly, but we are done. Yo, big head. I still have to do this side. I hope, like, I'm crossing fingers. I pray it comes out nicely, because I'm gonna be so sad if it doesn't come out nicely. I was supposed to use plastic straws, not paper straws. That's what my grandmother used when I was still young. We'll just wait and see tomorrow how it's gonna come out, because I'm gonna continue shooting till tomorrow. And I hope you guys like this video, because if you don't like it, I'll cry. She's away. Hello. I'll say hello. Say hi. Tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Like, subscribe, and comment on the section down below.
You didn't even say thank you. I woke you up. Guys, we're taking a mini break. I'm hungry. So towards the end of the video, I will count how many straws I've used, and just to show you guys how big my head is. Cause wow. Okay, so we have 40 straws. I'll just count how many straws are left, because I think I threw the plastic peppers away. And yeah, man, we're almost done. We are doing this section, and then yeah, I'm just gonna speed up the video and you guys.
Aww.
What is good, Minion Squad? It's your girl Mini. It's the next day, and as you can see, some of these straws are doing the most, and some of the strings got entangled because of the way that I sleep. I sleep like in one position the whole night, which is highly impossible because I can't, like, I always move my head and whatever. So yeah, we are going to entangle these and see how it worked. So we'll start with the ones that are already always prepared for you. Ooh, I will always love you. I don't want to use a comb because I feel like you just lose your curls. I mean, yeah, they'll just straighten your hair. Like, I feel like if my hair was like pretty long, as you can see, I just brushed it, and then I'm just gonna do this kancane, you know, like go in with it. And yeah, there you have it. There you have it. 10 out of 10. Guys, I look so pretty. Okay, they're not really. They did come out nice, but I don't know. I feel somehow. Please, guys, comment, honey. You know, guys, I'm gonna be doing lookbooks soon. Hey, I'll soon have very soon. Okay, guys, this is it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment. Ooh, honey, lovey. Look at these curls. Don't forget to buy your straws. And look, from Shades by Pearl. I'm gonna tag her in the description. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more